Are you tired of shelling out your hard-earned cash on pricey AI tools like RunwayML, Kling AI, or Minimax AI? What if I told you there's a powerful alternative that's free? Stop wasting money and start creating stunning videos without spending a dime. Let me show you how. I've just found an incredible free video generator that brings AI video creation to a whole new level. Unlike other Minimax tools that can take 30 minutes or even hours to produce results, this one is fast and efficient, saving you a lot of time and effort. RunwayML is a great tool, but it's not affordable for everyone. Plus, you can only create one video per Gmail account since it requires Gmail for sign-up. Even tools like Kling AI are impressive for video generation, but their free plans can be frustratingly slow, sometimes making you wait over 24 hours for just one video. And even after the long wait, the results might not always match your expectations. The tool I'm about to share is completely free and has an average wait time of just 5 minutes. To demonstrate its capabilities, I compared it to Minimax, and in my opinion, it performed much better. It not only understands prompts more effectively but also produces smoother, more realistic videos. While Minimax often struggles with excessive morphing, this tool creates videos with flawless transitions. Stay tuned, because I'll also show you how to get multiple credits absolutely free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting AI content. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can use this amazing new AI platform. First, head to the link I'll provide in the video description below. Once you're there, sign up using your Google account. It's the quickest and easiest way to get started. After signing in, simply click on Generate Videos for free. As you explore, you'll also find an impressive variety of creations made by other users. For instance, here's a stunning 6-second AI-generated video. It's amazing how realistic it looks. On the homepage, you'll even find videos as long as 28 minutes. Let's check out another example, a 3-second clip. This one is incredibly lifelike and looks as though it was filmed with a camera. The fact that this was entirely created using AI software is nothing short of mind-blowing. With a free account, you get 2 credits to start. If you navigate to the dashboard, you'll see options for creating other videos as well. For example, under the pricing section, you'll find 3 models: Basic, Pro, and Ultra. Naturally, the higher the plan, the more features you get. The Ultra plan allows you to generate up to 900 videos per month, while the Pro plan offers up to 300 videos per month. You can choose the plan that suits your needs best. Now, let me show you how to create an awesome video on this platform. First, click on Home, then select Generate Videos for free. Here, you'll have the option to create videos using either images or text. For this tutorial, I've prepared a few images that I'll use to demonstrate how to convert them into a video. I'll start by clicking on one of the images and uploading it. I got this image from FluxRaw. On FluxRaw's homepage, you'll find thousands of images created just seconds, minutes, or hours ago by other users. It's a great place to get inspiration. You can even copy prompts directly from these images and regenerate them at the top of the FluxRaw page. Once you've found the image you like, save it to your device. If you're still unsure, head over to the Learnify AI prompts website. I've included the link in the video description. On this site, you'll find all the prompts I use in my videos, including thumbnail prompts. Simply copy a prompt, paste it into FluxRaw, and customize it to your liking to generate an image. With one Gmail account, you can generate up to 20 images daily. If you run out of credits, just log in with another Gmail account. After this video, visit my Best Video Generator playlist, where you'll find many other AI tools for creating amazing videos. Explore it to discover the perfect generator for your projects. So now, I'm uploading my AI-generated image. Once the image is uploaded, you can select the aspect ratio. Videos can be created in either 16:9 for horizontal or 9:16 for vertical formats. For this tutorial, I'll choose 16:9 for a horizontal video. Here's where you can also add a prompt. Let me show you what I'll do next. Here's what I'll do next. I'll go to ChatGPT, upload the image, and ask it to create an AI video prompt specifically for our video on Vidful.ai. Once I'm there, I'll input the initial idea as a prompt into ChatGPT, and hopefully it will generate a well-suited AI video prompt for us. After receiving the generated prompt, I'll copy it from ChatGPT and paste it into the Vidful.ai prompt window. Keep in mind that Vidful.ai has a maximum character limit of 1,800, so you'll need to ensure your prompt fits within that limit. With the prompt ready, I'll simply click on Generate and Vidful.ai will begin creating what I hope will be an amazing video. The next step is to generate a video using the text-to-video option. For this, you can once again visit Flux Ultra Raw. Here, you can browse and copy any image you like along with its prompt. Alternatively, I'll show you another approach. I'll head over to Learnify AI to search for a new prompt tailored specifically for an AI video, this time focusing solely on text. I found an image that looks great and includes a detailed prompt. I'll copy this lengthy prompt from Learnify AI and take it to ChatGPT for enhancement. Once in ChatGPT, I'll paste the prompt and ask it to refine and enhance it for the AI video. After receiving the improved version of the prompt, I'll copy it and return to Vidful.ai, ready to use the enhanced prompt to generate our video. The app is already showing the progress of our first video generation, and it's completed. We'll review it shortly, but for now, let's move on to generating a video using only text. To do this, I'll click on the text-to-video option and paste the prompt I copied earlier from ChatGPT into the input field. After pasting the prompt, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio for a horizontal video. Now, let's see how this video compares to the one created using the image-to-video option. I'll click on Generate and we'll wait as Vidful.ai processes it. Hopefully, it won't take long to finish. Now we have some results. In just 5 minutes, the first video has finished generating. This video is 5 seconds long, and on this platform, you have several options. You can share it directly to other platforms, delete it, download it to your computer, or even extend its duration. However, you'll notice a watermark at the bottom of the video. To remove it, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version of Vidful.ai. Let me show you how the video looks. Hopefully, you'll be able to see it in high quality. This is our first video, created in 16:9 resolution, using a combination of the generated image and the prompt. I'm still waiting for the text-only video to finish generating, but overall, this first result is very promising. As you can see, Vidful.ai has produced a high-quality, fully usable video all for free. Now, let's take a look at the second video, which was generated entirely from text using the text-to-video option. This video is also 5 seconds long and was created without any input image, just the text prompt. Let's examine it closely. The video captures a close-up of a tiny, finger-sized chubby cat dressed in a whimsical costume, perched delicately on human fingers. Its lifelike details, soft fur texture, and intricate costume design stand out beautifully. The diffused lighting and shallow depth of field enhance its adorable features, while a blurred, warm-toned background adds depth and charm, making the scene feel realistic and captivating. The video includes a simple zoom-in effect, which works but could have been more dynamic to elevate the overall impact. However, the results are still very impressive for a free tool like this. Now, here's a bonus tip for when you run out of credits. If you've used up all your credits, a simple way to get more is by signing out of your current Vidful.ai account. After signing out, visit a temporary email service like 10-Minute Mail or any similar platform. I'm using a temp mail extension for this demonstration. Copy the temporary email address provided by the service. Then, go back to the Vidful.ai website, click on the sign-in option, and find the sign-up button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the temporary email address and click on Send Verification Code. This approach lets you create a new account and access fresh credits without needing to use your primary email. Once the verification code is sent to your temporary email, refresh your inbox until you receive it. Copy the code and paste it into the Vidful.ai registration page. Then, choose a password and complete the required fields. Once everything is filled out, click on Sign Up. You'll now have a brand new account with fresh credits ready to use. This method is the simplest way to get additional credits on the Vidful.ai platform. If you run out of free credits, just repeat the process with another temporary email. It's quick, easy, and keeps you going without needing to upgrade. With that, I think we've covered everything for this video. If you've tried this tool, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll include a link to Vidful.ai in the video description below. During my analysis of Learnify AI, I discovered that 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll never miss any of our upcoming content. Your support is incredibly valuable. It helps the channel grow and motivates us to keep creating more informative and engaging videos for you. If you're curious about free voiceovers for life, no sign-up required, Pop AI, click on the video on the left. Or, if you're ready to explore, create unlimited free AI videos, open source text to video, image to video generator, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.